In the latest macOS Sequoia by Apple, there is a valuable feature known as iPhone mirroring. This feature allows me to access the iPhone screen on my Mac even when it's in standby mode or charging in another room. But based on my experience, I have a big issue when mirroring my iPhone. I can't resize the window. On the menu bar, there are only options to move left, right, and center on the screen. Changing the display resolution on a Mac is the possible workaround, but using iPhone mirroring is not worthwhile. What do you think, guys? Please comment below if you have faced the same problem with the iPhone mirroring feature. Furthermore, if you're facing any errors while setting up iPhone mirroring on your Mac, please don't forget to watch my video, which is linked in the description below. In the end, to get the Resize window feature for iPhone mirroring, we all should submit a recommendation to the Beta Feedback Assistant app. That way, they'll know this is something needed. So please open the Feedback Assistant app using the Spotlight search. Now click on Continue. Now click on the Accept button to agree on the terms and conditions. Now enter your email or phone number and then enter your Apple ID password. Then after, click on the Next button. Now logged in, go with the Requests option and click on New Feedback on the right side pane. So this screen will open, asks you what are you seeing an issue with. Choose macOS and go with the Continue button. Now wait till the page loads. What you have to do here. On this page you have to fill up the form. Please enter all basic information. This is mandatory to fill up. Otherwise, you cannot submit the form. So for example, enter title for feedback, like I need iPhone mirroring window resize option. Next, open the drop-down menu and choose iPhone mirroring. After that, what type of issue are you reporting? Click on the drop-down and choose suggestion. Fine. Next, fill up the description. Here you have to write in depth that please add the screen resize option and iPhone mirroring feature. If you will add this, then the iPhone mirroring will most helpful for your users. After that, you can add an attachment, and last, click on the Submit button. That's it. After that, you can see your suggestion in the left sidebar of Feedback Assistance app. For that, click on Submitted option and check the right side to view your request. You guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. Thanks for watching.